Hey everyone, I am Andrea Licari, a third-year Science and Technology Studies undergraduate, and in the spirit of the end of term and the beginning of a very festive period, I am going around the world and asking fellow STS students two very festive questions. What is an issue in science and technology that you would like to solve? Or what is an issue that you would like to solve with the help of STS? So come along with me around the world to see what STS students have to say about this.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm currently in first year studying history and the philosophy of science. I'm also the lead rep for STS. One problem I would really like to see solved is misinformation, because I believe that a lot of the problems that STS faces are partly down to misinformation. So yeah, for me that is a very key problem that I would like to see solved.
Hi, my name is Darius Rurenton and I'm a second year history and philosophy of science student. Now, an issue in science and technology I would like to resolve would be to help establish a clearer roadmap as to how we should deal with bias in AI. I think it's a pressing issue, given the rapid rate AI is developed and utilised, particularly in industries where biases can be detrimental. One example is minority groups being underdiagnosed in healthcare due to a lack of diversity in the data being used. Due to STS's interdisciplinary nature, we can approach policy from a more holistic perspective where we address the social and political factors at play.
Hi guys, my name is Pierre Balzon. I'm a third year undergraduate student here at UCL STS, and one problem that I'm really excited for that STS can solve, or has been trying to solve for the past near decade, is an over-reliance on randomized controlled trials in medicine and policy decisions.
An issue where I think STS has a lot to say but could be saying more is regarding animal ethics and animal rights. There's of course an ongoing discussion and conversation around these issues in STS and in other fields. However, I do think that the interdisciplinary nature of STS has a lot to bring to the table when studying science and ethics together.
There, my name is Michael Kilios. I'm a third year undergraduate student studying sociology and politics of science in the STS department. And one way that I think STS would be really useful to solve a big problem is to understand how the construction of scientific expertise. I think using case studies such as UFOs or ufology is really interesting to analyse how in the past few decades the definition of a scientist has changed quite drastically, and to see how in the past few decades the study of UFOs has made its way into mainstream scientific media, whereas in the past few decades it would have been considered highly pseudoscientific. And we're seeing more and more ufologists claim to be scientists without the professional qualifications to do so. So I think this is a really interesting topic to study and use STS to further my knowledge on this area.
These are definitely pressing and very present issues in STS, and I'm really glad that fellow students are thinking about them. Anyways, that'll be it for today, but congratulations for completing term 1. Have a lovely winter break and see you in term 2.